Hello, buddy. Welcome to that Small Ducks YouTube channel. Today, like at 10 in my time, it's 10. Well, it was 10 an hour ago, or something like that. I don't know. No, I don't even know. But I opened the crate. You know, probably gonna get Sparkler Cameraman. Then it got at least to like this size right here. And I was like, wait, this one's getting a little bit bigger than usual. Out of nowhere, I got Titan Fireworkman. I did not go through any trades or anything. I got this just from a crate. 0.5% chance, too. 0.05% chance. And, yeah, so my squad's pretty good. Don't know how far I can get in endless mode. But, yeah. My squad's almost all cameras, except 2. Bro, I'm 83. I finally had another have another godly. Oh man, I don't got my endless wings. But if you want to see me do endless mode by myself, doing this, yeah. So my Slurdians, Barrett, my expensive goodest units, and no, I only need the announcer is basically so I can have a better cooldown on my best units, which is these 2. He's pretty good, but Brett's better, but not as much range. But not Toilet Song. It does have Splash on that. Oh my, bro! I just realized my squad's almost all exclusives. But yeah. And yeah, I don't know how good my luck is, but somehow my friend, which you should go give him units for the post office, so you can get a not Sparkler, but no, I keep forgetting Streamer Cameraman. Yeah, Streamer Cameraman. Yeah, so, yeah. But also, I thought of something in my head that they could add to Toilet Tower Defense in the next update. Is like you could go to shop and you can buy any unit from rares to godlies. It's like godlies are like 800. No ultimates, because that's probably a little bit, or maybe ultimates. But yeah, they should do that. And yeah, no, let me see. So it goes from godlies to ultimates. I mean, no, basic to ultimate. So ultimates is 1,000 Robux. Any godly is 700 Robux. Any mythic, any mythic is 500 Robux. Any exclusive is 300 Robux. Any did I say mythics? If I didn't no, I think yeah. Legendaries would be 150. Yeah. And then epics would be 50, and then rares are 25, and basics are one Robux. Wow. Yeah, but it only took me my time. It only took me my calculations are not on 14 days. No. Yeah, 14 days. No, it took me only 14 days. No, 15 days. Next, my luck needs to be to get Titan Fan Man. I'm gonna go to the marketplace, see how much trading plaza, whatever. See how much he's worth, because I actually don't know if I would sell him. I mean, he's probably a really good unit for endless mode. I just need the golden future large because that range is pretty good according to me. It's like the best unit. Honestly, I don't know. I'm probably just gonna end the video here because I have no ideas. Okay, never mind. Trading plaza, marketplace. The only purpose for people to come here is just for the marketplace. I need to put so people know I have Titan Fireworkman. Bet you, yeah, people love all that. Well, that's kind of cheap. Honestly, I feel like 50,000 is a good amount. My opinion, that's just my opinion. Well, Titan Cloverman. I want to get this guy. Or at least Corrupted Cameraman, because this guy looks fire. I'm gonna say I have Titan Fireworkman. Trade me. Oh, I cannot spell. Trade me or offer. I messed up again. That would be really embarrassing. See if anybody. Somebody else has time for that. My luck is insane with this. Yeah, of course you have it too. Ooh, Bro Squad. Ooh, bro, I need like some good. Also, why do I feel like Corrupted Cameraman? Oh no, they don't. I was about to say Titan Cloverman and whatever his name was. Like almost the exact same DPS. I wonder who's better, Titan Cloverman or Corrupted Cameraman. Alright, this is the end of the video. Like and subscribe, and I'll do endless mode with my squad. Let's just do that. Make it live. Yeah, I don't know how far I could get in endless mode by myself. I feel like pretty far, if you ask me. Alright, bye guys.